Welcome back. In this lecture, we will see how we can pass data to our templates. Here you can see that first we are parsing all the files inside our templates directory, and then we are executing the template base2.dt. Now, instead of executing base2.dt, I'm going to execute base.gohtml. So I'll write base.gohtml. And here also I'll create base.html. Now, if I hover over execute template, here you can see that first it takes a writer, then it takes the name of template you want to execute, and then it takes data. And data has a type of any, which means that you can pass almost any value here. I'm going to pass here my name, Ayush. Alright, now here we are passing a value here. Let's see how we can use this value inside our template. So I'll go to base.gohtml, and I'm going to specify that my file is of type HTML. Now here, instead of hello world, I want to use the data which we are passing while executing the template. So instead of world, I'll write two parentheses like this, and then I'll specify dot. Dot stands for the current value which is being passed. So here I'm passing a string, and inside my GoHTML file, that string or the data will be replaced by this placeholder. So this is basically a placeholder for the data which is being passed. Alright, let me save it, and I'll clear the console, and I'll write go run main.go. Alright, so we have base.html, and you can see that we are successfully replacing the placeholder by the data which we are passing. So this is how we are going to pass the data to our templates. Now there are some important things which you need to know. You can only pass the data once. So here, as you can see, I have passed a string, and then we are executing the template. So this is the only place where we can pass the data. After the template is executed, I just cannot do anything about it. So we get to pass the data only once. Now this brings to an important question. What kind of data can we pass? Can we pass an integer, float, string, or how about the composite data types like arrays or slices or maps? We will talk about these kind of examples in the upcoming lectures. So I'll stop right here, and I'll see you in the next one.